Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to do this video. It's going to be about farm tours. Let's get started. And here are the dogs. Yeah. Come on, Charlie. Let's run. This way, this way, this way. Charlie. Dang you. You've no cheeky to Charlie! Come here. You okay? You okay? You okay? I kicked her. We should have a baby soon. Come on, let's go! Okay, basically, I'm going to show you in here first. There's the cat. The very nice cat. She just likes being smooth. Okay, now? And here's Magic in the stable. Show you down here. Here's Roxy. Roxy! She don't want to see us. She's not like dangerous or anything. You funny girl. This is Maddie. Girl. Okay, I'm going to show you the other horse. Addy. Okay. Magic loves seeing you. She tries to eat you. Magic. He wants to eat you very badly. You just like go here, go. She really wants to eat you because she does not like you. I have no idea why. Magic. You funny girl. I'll show you the rest of the horses. Okay, so when you walk out of this area, okay, you'll see all this. And here is the trampoline, the broken house. It used to be a house. Okay, when you walk out, like, yeah, if you look left, sorry. I need to learn my left and right. Yeah, and there's like the car park. If we turn right, here is like all the stuff where it leads into the menage all the way down there. First I'm going to show you the rest of the horses. Yay, come on guys, let's show up the rest of the horses. Lenny's in here. He's Peakies. He's a little Pika boy. Look how small he is. He kind of peak. And Gracie's in here. Megan used to be in this stable. Megan. But now it's Gracie. And here is Gracie. She's tiny. She's the size of a foal. She's bigger than Lenny. Look at her now. So yeah, basically you come over here, then after you see thing with a car like where the car park is, this is where you come through, like this thing, and then you'll straight away see this. This is where we stole all the poo, and there's Charlie on the poo, and there's Flossie's, Flu. Okay, and there's Lenny again. I'm gonna show you in the hay barn now. Okay, when you walk out of the car park and you go down this path here, there's like a slope going down here, and there's one going down here, and there's one going down there, there's one going down there. Okay, I'm gonna go down this slope first, because it's the hay barn and there's like all twigs and stuff. This is where the dogs are kept. The dogs. And guess what? Flossie's having puppies. Okay, it's locked. But I'm just gonna unlock it and open it up. So I'm gonna lock it back after me. And here are all the hays. Ooh, someone's got a new hay net. Because it looks new, it's like a new pink. And then you just go over here. There's like a trolley thing where it carries all the hay. Look how much hay is here. This is all Molly's pile. And here is just like disgusting. And Charlie, come on. We're going now. Okay, I gotta lock it back. I need to lock it back up. There we go. So my nan didn't even know I went in there. Okay, I'm just going to show you in the dogs. Charlie isn't here. He's going in there now, sort of. And Flossie's in here. She's in here because she's having her puppies and Charlie might hurt them. No babies yet. No babies. So let's walk out. Charlie was just looking at us. He was like, what the hell are you doing? Okay, now I'm going to show you in the menages. Like, as I was saying, the slopes. Yeah, there's a tack room. The first slope that I said that was going down here. I'm actually going to show you that first. Okay, so basically when you go up to Lenny, and there's like a little path. You go into the path where Charlie just went. And turn left. And then here's the tack room. Well, not really the tack room, but the room. So he just jumped at the bin. The bin is by there. Okay. And we have like a freezer, microwave, which really works. Both of them work. Like thing. A cloth. All my stuff here. This is mine, this is mine, and this is mine. And there's pot noodles and all other foods in here. I know it's dark, but there is like pot noodles and stuff in there. One sec. No, okay. Then you've got like these for the beds. Then you've got a bench and you've got chairs. Okay, so that's our room. Okay, and then let's just go and show you the menages. Gotta go all the way down there. I'm gonna run. Charlie, come on, Charlie! He's faster than me. He's faster than anyone. There's a bird right by there. It flew away now. Oh, it's by there! It's by there. Fly away, bird, because I might scare you. There's birds everywhere. There's 2 of them. I'm just gonna go and scare them away then. You can just see like a speckle of black the Menage, and that's the bird. Two birds are the same colour. Ah! The bird is just still there walking. There you go, he's gone now. Okay, and here is like a really big field. Like there is like a thing here. So then when the horses escape out of the field, they'll have to jump this, but I don't think they can jump this high. I think one horse can. And there's like another field up here. It's just a rake. That is just a rake. See, it's just a rake. Don't worry about that. And there's like fields here, all across the Menage, till it comes back to here, and the Menage is in here. It's got like all barking and stuff like that. Like basically, it's got all the mud, stones, more mud, and stones, more mud, and bar, like the things. Then the bark, the barg, ah! Okay, and there's like the caravans. It's just my cover of my thing. It's just in the way. That's why it's like a bit pink on one side. There we go. So here is where the bikes are kept, but there's no bikes there right now. Well, that's where they kept when the bikers are here. And then you go down this path again. Okay. And there's the clubhouse. Then you go straight up, and then I've showed you enough everything. Go back. Oh, I forgot to show you one more room. This room. Okay, and this is where the horses are fed. All in these up right here. And this is basically the tack room, because it's got like saddles and stuff like that. And even a dartboard and shoes and stuff like that. So yeah. I showed you everything now, so comment down below if you want to do. If you have, comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below if you work on a farm or if you want a horse. Comment down below. Bye!